integers. Okay. Before entering into integers, first already we have come across this. What are the natural numbers? Natural numbers are nothing but which numbers which starts with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so on. Yeah, means natural numbers are indicated with n. We don't know what is the last number, that's why I'm reading it as a n. The same way coming to the whole numbers. Whole numbers, the numbers which starts with 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so on. Means we know about the natural numbers, we know about the whole numbers, like that some other numbers, even numbers are there, odd numbers are there, this is all we had. But before knowing we want to know about the integers. Here integers are something like, for example I will say you, okay, for example, you have taken a money, from your friend. For example, you have taken 100 rupees, you are trying to buy different things. Okay, see for example, okay, you have bought a 50 rupees of chocolate, okay, even you have bought a 40 rupees of anything, something like your pencil, eraser and all the things combinedly, geometry box you have bought. In the same way, coming to the 10 rupees, you have spent it in buying items like your toys or anything else. Still you buy a 20 rupees of biscuits and everything, wafers and everything else. Means if I add these three things, 50 plus 40 plus 10, which will be gives you the 100. Already your money is finished over here. But still you taken something 20 rupees item. You need to pay for this also. But what you did, I'll pay you tomorrow, he said. Means if you are paying him tomorrow, means you didn't give the amount for him. If you are not giving that amount to the shopkeeper, that will be means you need to give the 20 rupees due to them. Whenever 20 rupees is due, for example, whatever the amount is due, that will be written in the negative minus 20. Means, for example, you got again your uncle came, your friend came, uncle came and gave you again 100 rupees. Means from this 100 rupees again you need to pay to this shopkeeper only. Why? Because you had a due. Means whenever anything is due, you are representing it with a negative number. Here coming to the integers, not only this, for example, I'll give you one of the best example. For example, you are standing at a swimming pool. You are standing over here. You are standing at a swimming pool and this is your water. See, for example, if you go up, you will be adding. See, for example, there is a steps to climb up and to dive it. Means as you are going up, means this whatever this ground level is there, that I am taking it as a 0. Whatever the ground level is there, that I am taking it as a 0. As you are going up, step by step, you are going up, means plus 1, plus 2, plus 3. It will be goes on added. See, when you jump into the water, will you be at a 0 level? No, you go into that. When you are coming downwards, as you are going upward, I am adding it, I am going on adding it. When you are going down, if you are going down 2 meters downwards, means you are going 2 meters in a downward direction. I am mentioning the downward direction. For example, here ground level is there as you are going up. So for example, you are climbing a mountains, means from the ground level you are going up. How many meters went up, you will be saying that number over there. In the same way, if you are going into the water, otherwise if you are going into the inside the land or anywhere else into the barrel, somewhere if you are going, at that time you will be decreasing it. How we will be representing that? Here to represent that, we will be representing it as a numbers. Means how we are representing? See, whenever I am saying the ground, I am saying it as a 0. Means 0 is must. If you are going upward, whatever the values are there, I am taking it as a positive numbers. I am taking it as a positive numbers. Okay. In the same way, if you are going downwards, means right side I am indicating the positive numbers as I am going up. Means when I am going downwards, means I am going into the left side. I am representing it with the negative numbers. Okay, if I am representing the positive numbers, if I am going toward the right side, it will be taken as a positive numbers, plus 1, plus 3, plus 4, plus 5. Like this positive numbers will be represented, plus 2. Okay, all this will be represented as a positive number. If I am coming to the left side, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Means I am going on decreasing it. I am going on decreasing it, I am not increasing it. For example, he says you, okay, what you are doing, you are standing, okay, on the mountain. If you are standing on the mountain, somewhere on the mountain height is 5 meters. You are standing over here. This is the mountain. You are standing over here. If you are standing over here 5 meters above, if you are standing above the 5 meters, it will be represented as plus 5 meters. If you are dived into the water in an ocean, this is a ground, in a water you have dived. In a river or pond or anywhere, you jumped into the water. Means you are going downward 2 meters, for example. Whenever this 2 meters you are representing it, that 2 meters will be represented as a minus 2. It will be represented as a minus 2. The temperature is increasing, it will be represented as a plus. Temperature is getting decreases, it will be represented as a minus. Okay. See, normally, just copy this now. See, normally what happened, when I am saying about the integers, integers are consisting of negative numbers are there, positive numbers are there, including 0. See, if you had negative numbers, positive numbers, including 0, then we are calling it as a integers. Here integers are represented with a letter Z. Others, if you forget, you can even represent it with a capital letter I. This is about the just integers. For example, if you draw a number line, I am trying to draw it. Already show you the number line only. Number line, we know that most of the time you have drawn the number line for the positive. 1, 2, 3, 4, so on, Z. Positive Z. Next, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. So on, minus Z. So here, I set you the line. That's why it will goes on continuing, it won't be end. For example, he will ask you the question. Represent minus 1 on number, minus 2 on number line. Wherever the minus 2, like this you need to draw a line, minus 1 and all the numbers you should write. See, always remember 0 is the center, right side all the number will starting with the 1, 2, 3, 4, left side coming to with minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Like this we are going towards the left side. I said he is saying you to represent minus 2. Wherever the minus 2 is there, just circle it. Like this we will be representing the number lines. Is it clear, ma'am? This is about the numbers. Just remember the definition of integers. Integers are numbers. Numbers which are represented with negative symbol and positive symbol, including 0, are called integers. Means the numbers which are having the positive sign, negative sign and including 0, these all are called as a integers. These all are called as your integers. He has given you to do this as do it as a homework, ma. And next, coming to the exercise, I will say 1 or 2 for you. See, represent the following by using the signs of the integers. An aeroplane is flying height of 300 meters. It is flying. Means aeroplane won't be going downwards below the ground level. It will be the above the ground level. Means saying that it is going above the height level. Aeroplane is said you and above 3000 it is there. Means above whenever it is given plus 300. We need to represent it as a plus 300. The same with the fish is 10 meters below the water surface. 10 meters below, he said. Now below means minus 10 meters. Like this you need to represent it. Complete that bit as a homework. Next, coming to the, he's saying that write any 5 negative integers. Saying it on negative integers: minus 1, minus 4, minus 6, minus 8, minus 10, minus 12, minus 11, minus 12, anything, so on. He said you only 5. You can write anything with, if you had a minus number, that all will be considered as in here negative integers. In the same way, positive integers also, he said you next question, write it as the homework one and send it to me. Next, coming to the fourth one, just already I said you that mark the integers on the number line given below. He has given you the number minus 4, 3, 2, 0, minus 1, comma 5. These all are the numbers. You can represent it in a number line. Next, following true or false, even you can do it as a homework. That also you can do it as a homework. This is about the integers. First exercise, complete that first exercise and send it to me as a homework. Thank you.